Hello friends, Satish Tiwary here again from Mythical Hacking Tuition Center Jaipur, and you guys are watching my YouTube channel /root.in. Today in this tutorial we are going to learn how to lock a folder. Okay, how to lock a folder. So first of all, I am going to log in with the name root, password Red Hat. This is my Linux machine. Okay, now if you want to do this with command line mode, you can just simply press Alt Control F1. Remember, Alt Control F1. So I'm going to terminal 1. So this is terminal 1. I'm logging with the root user Red Hat. Now here I am going to create a directory. You already know how to create a directory. Let's see. So suppose mkdir slash testing. Okay. So I'm going to create a directory testing. So directory testing has been created. Now I want to put security on this testing folder, or you can also say I am going to lock this folder. How to lock this folder? If you want to lock this folder, you have to do one thing, that is you have to change the ownership. So ch on -r root for the folder testing. So for this folder, testing folder, now the user owner and the group owner both is root. Okay, again you need to set up permission. So chmod -r for recursive 700 means 7 means all the permission, read, write and execute permission for user owner, which is root, and for rest user like group and others no permission for the folder testing. Okay, so you have to run this command. After running this command, this testing folder will be locked for the normal users. Now normal users will not be allowed to go inside this directory. cd root can go, you can see cd testing root can go inside this directory. You can see pwd, so root can go. Okay, root can also create files here, like if you want to create multiple files, touch a .z.exe, it will create a to z exe file. You can see I have created a to z exe file inside this testing directory because I am root. Okay, you can see who I am root, so I am allowed to create files inside this folder. I am allowed to go inside this folder, but other than root, no users will be allowed to go inside this folder, go inside this directory. For example, let's create a user add Satish. So I have added a user Satish. The password for the user Satish is passwd Satish 123, suppose 123. Now 123 is the password for user Satish. Now I am going to terminal 2. So chbt 2, and on terminal 2 I am logging with user Satish, password 123. And now if Satish wants to go to the testing directory cd testing, he will not be allowed. You can see permission denied because this folder has been locked, and no other users has been allowed to go inside this folder. So in this way you can lock a folder. I hope you guys understand. If still you have any doubt, you can ask me through the comment section. Thank you for watching.